Hello everyone. We are so excited to be here today to share about our project EduSpace, a smart classroom and learning space management system. This project solves a big problems in managing classroom and learning spaces. And today we will show you how EduSpace made it easier and better for everyone. Let me start by asking you a simple question. Have you ever tried to find an empty classroom but found it was already booked? Or have you wasted time just for looking a space that fits your needs? And this happens all the time and cause problems like wasted resources. Some rooms stay empty while others are overcrowded. Time consumption. Students and teachers spend too much time just for searching for spaces. And sometimes its impact on learning quality. The classes start late and everyone feels stressed, affecting focusing and our productivity. But here's the good news. This problem can be solved with EduSpace, and that's why we developed this project. EduSpace is a smart system that makes group booking simple, save resources, and give the user better experience. Before we go deeper, let me introduce about our team. I'm Phước. I'm the team leader. I oversee the project development and coordination. And today, I introduce the overall context of EduSpace. Kỳ Nam is our technology specialist. He will explain the core technologies behind EduSpace and its innovative features. Phúc is our benefit application expert. He will highlight the practical advantages and real-world use cases of EduSpace. And the last member of our team is Tấn Phúc, our implementation strategist. He will outline the deployment plan and our vision for future improvements. In this part of the presentation, I will introduce EduSpace, a smart solution designed to optimize classroom and learning space management. I'm talking about the technologies that we use to build EduSpace. We choose Google tools because they are reliable, widely recognized, and cost-effective while maintaining the high efficiency. The key technologies we use include Google Site to create the user-friendly website where users can easily access and book rooms online. Google Form to collect booking information with ease and accuracy. Google Sheets to store and manage booking data, ensuring seamless uh, uh, synchronization for analysis and updates. Google Calendar to visually manage schedule and show the room availability. And the last tool that we use is Google Apps Script to automate the processes like sending email confirmation and updating booking calendar in real time. Together, we aim to show you why EduSpace is not just a solution, but a transformation in managing classroom and learning spaces. And Kỳ Nam will now guide you through innovative features that make EduSpace both powerful and user-friendly.
Okay, so my name is Nam and I will talk about the features and workflow of EduSpace. So first, it is the online booking feature. So with our website, booking rooms now is easier than before. Just a few steps of clicking and typing a room for your club's activities is booked. Also, during the booking process, no paperwork or offline activity is required. All processes are online. As our service is online, you can always make a booking wherever you want in every time of the day, except when the web is crashed or being maintained, of course. Move up to the next feature. This feature is called Smart Room Suggestion. This feature will base on the user criteria and requirements to suggest the appropriate rooms. In the suggestion list, there will be some criteria to rank the rooms, but mostly is the suitability of user requirements. This feature is promised to reduce the effort required to find the perfect space for users' activities. The last feature that I want to talk about is QR code check-in. So when the booking has been approved by the admins, a confirmation email will with an attached QR code is sent to the registered user. This feature ensures fast, contactless check-in while tracking room usage effectively. Also, this ensures that only the registered users can access the room, prevent any strangers or intruders from entering, and enhance the security for the university. So after going through all the technology and features behind our service, here is the full workflow to make a room booking on our website. First, the user access to our website. Next, the user will fill in the booking information and requirements in the booking form. After submitting the form, this information will be stored in our Google Sheet. And finally, every day, an admin will log to this sheet and check the booking information. Once they approve, a confirmation email will be sent via app scripts, and the calendar on the website will display the time range, including the room number that the user has registered. So I have go through the system workflow, and next I will make a small demo for you on our website. So you can see on the screen right now, it is our prototype. So it is just a simple website with a header and a banner. Be, below the banner is the calendar. So from our expectation, when a user registered a room, the information about the time range and the booking information will be displayed on this calendar when the admins has approved the booking, and below the calendar is the form to submit the booking information. So you have to fill in your booking information, including your personal information, which clubs you are in, the reason for you to borrow the room, the using date, and other requirements. But the most important thing is we have to know which time range that you will borrow the room. So this is just a little recent on our website. It is still under development, and it will be the production will be released on Sunday. So that is the end of my presentation, and next I will give the mic to Hu Phúc.
Hello everyone, my name is Hữu Phúc and today I will talk about the practical benefits of EduSpace for students, teachers and administrators. Let's start with the easy deployment. EduSpace uses Google's free tools which makes it very simple to get started. First, it has low cost to begin with. You don't need to spend a lot of money on expensive software. Second, it's based on the familiar tools. Most people already know how to use these tools and so there's no need for long training sessions. Finally, it's quick to set up. You can get the system running in just a few steps. Next is cost-effective maintenance. EduSpace works smoothly on Google's platform, which saves your time and effort. It has very low maintenance costs, plus Google takes care of automatic updates and security, so you don't have to worry about those. And besides, it's also reliable, so there are fewer interruptions for users. Now about the enhanced management efficiency, EduSpace makes it easy to manage classrooms and resources, so nothing goes to waste. You can see the room availability in real time and making planning much easier. It helps with scheduling and resource sharing. Then it gives you data to make better decisions for the future. Finally, its high flexibility. EduSpace can fit many different needs, from small meetings to the big events. It allows room sharing and QR code check-ins, so access is quick and easy. It also lets you make last-minute changes without any trouble, and it's simple enough for anyone to use, no matter how much experience they have with the technology. Uh, Now I will talk about the real-world applications. First, for universities and training centers, students and teachers can find and book rooms quickly without any hassle. This makes managing schedules and reservations much easier. It also encourages teamwork as departments can coordinate better. Overall, it improves the learning environment by making everything run more smoothly. Second is time and effort savings. Aerospace takes away the stress of searching for available rooms so people can focus on their work. It reduces the usual planning headaches, which saves time for everyone, and teachers can spend more time preparing lessons, and students can focus fully on their studies. Uh, Let me take a real-life scenario. A group of students needs a room to prepare for an important presentation. So instead of running around and looking for a free room, they can log into EduSpace and within a minute, they find a room and book it. The system makes sure they have everything they need, like a projector, so they can focus on preparing. The whole process is quick and easy, leaving them more time to work on their presentation. In conclusion, EduSpace is not just a management tool, it's a bridge that enhances teaching and learning efficiency. And now, Lục Phúc will talk about the implementation plan for EduSpace.
Thank you, Hồ Phúc. My name is Lục Phúc, and I am excited to present our plan for bringing education to life. Today, I will share our implementation phases, outline our future aspirations, and explain how this platform will revolutionize educational institutions. Our implementation journey begins with phase one, development and testing, which spans 2 months. During this phase, we will ensure EduSpace is functional, accessible, and ready for real-world use. All system features will be completed, including finalizing an intuitive user interface designed for optimal usability and integrating Google's tool for function cohesively. Accessibility standards will be strictly adhered to, ensuring inclusivity for all users. To guarantee reliability, we will conduct rigorous testing. Unit testing will verify the functionality of individual components, while system testing will ensure the platform operates seamlessly from end to end. Finally, we will engage beta tester for user acceptance testing. In phase two, pilot testing, we will take 1 month. We will implement EduSpace in a single department to gather practical feedback. The department will be carefully chosen to represent the broader needs of the institutions. We will provide comprehensive training seasons and user guides to ensure a smooth adoption process. During the pilot phase, we will closely monitor system usage and collect performance data to identify areas for improvement. Feedback from users will be analyzed to guide enhancements, prioritizing fixes and new features based on their impact. Iterative updates will be made to refine the system further and ensure it meets user expectations. Once the pilot phase successfully completed, we will move to phase three, school-wide deployment. In this phase, EduSpace will span across the entire institutions. A carefully developed rollout schedule will minimize disruption to daily operations, and the process will be coordinated closely with IT and administrative departments To ensure all users are informed and prepared, we will launch a communication campaign alongside tailored training programs, including workshops and webinars for different user groups. Ongoing technical support will be provided through a dedicated help desk and an online knowledge base featuring FAQs and tutorials to address common queries and issues promptly. To ensure EduSpace involved with user needs, we will focus on continuous feedback and improvement. We will regularly collect opinions through surveys and open forums, encouraging direct dialogue with users. This feedback will guide our user-centered development approach, allowing us to implement real-world-driven enhancements. Additionally, we plan to integrate AI to optimize operations further, including predicting room demand, improving scheduling algorithms, and providing personalized user recommendations. In conclusion, aerospace represents a significant leap forward in managing educational resources. By addressing logistical challenges, it simplifies operational for administrators, enhances the experience for students and faculty, and empower users with tools for better decisions making with and coordinations. This perform lays the foundations for creating a smarter, more convenient learning environment and positions institutions as leaders in innovative educational practices. Thank you for your attention and engagement. Your feedback and suggestions are invaluable as we strive to enhance the educational experience for everyone. We now welcome your questions and are ready to provide any clarifications you may need. Together, let us bring EduSpace to life and transform how we manage and experience education.